Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Are you needing to shine things up? Maybe get rid of some water spots right here. By the way, I do have soft water, yet we still have this situation going on. Or are you wanting to shine up your stainless steel without using chemical cleaners that you would find in the store? By the way, I love old things. I love trying it all. So we're gonna use this right here today. Can you let me know in that comments box below what you think this is? Ice cream? No, it is not ice cream, but it is quite tasty. My friend, we have some good old coconut oil. Now, a little goes a long way. I'm gonna show you some little tips and tricks here to make your stainless steel, basically anything, shined up real nice. Now, unlike Vaseline in the previous videos that I have shown you with my stove top here, you want to keep this one away from the flames. That'll definitely be a problem. All right, you got some coconut oil. This is probably more than you need, but what you're gonna do is you're just gonna rub in circular motions. You're gonna watch these water spots disappear. So my main objective right now is working on these water spots. If you just want to shine and buff, this works. Look at that. This works really well as well. But if you just want to shine things up, this works perfectly. Let's get in here, get that coconut oil all in there. It smells amazing. By the way, I'm gonna go over here. Ooh, look at all those in there. Basically disintegrates like magic. Now we buff. I just turned my microfiber towel the opposite way, so I had a clean side. Right here. Looky, looky, my friend. I have tried everything to get this sink sparkling and like new. That is looking so nice. You remember all those water spots that were in here? Let me give you it right here. See, I did not do anything right there, but then I just used my good old coconut oil alongside here. Do this on your stainless steel as well. Let me just show you. Let's find some good old, right here. Ooh, light caught that really well. Again, just buff that on out. I'm gonna turn my cloth here to the side. That's a bit drier. Circular motions work best in my experience. Again, a little goes a long way when you are using coconut oil to clean things out. Right in here, yes! Woo! And it conditions your hands. That's an amazing bonus. Ooh, before I forget to tell you, look at these scratches inside the sink. Right in here, yes, and the sink is pretty new. It's only a few years old. I'm gonna be making a video about how to fix these scratches, so make sure that you are subscribed with your notification bells turned on to see that transformation. And as a bonus, according to Google, the fatty acids found in coconut oil have antimicrobial properties that effectively kill bacteria and fungi. Yes, nasty. All right, my friend, give this video a thumbs up. Lots of freebies in the description box below. Click this video on screen now to see some more additional cleaning and life hacks that will hopefully make your day. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.